Hello traders, welcome to Forex Lab and I'm your host Hol Pip. So in this weekly episode we will discuss gold from monthly time frame to low time frame, and also we will see what sort of possible technical scenarios and NL scenarios and condition we have in this upcoming week. And also we will see what are the global conflicts that will impact on gold. So before continuing our analysis, if you guys are watching my video first time, you just have to press the bell icon and like and comment my video. Thank you, and let's start our analysis. So on a monthly time frame, what we have this the all-time high we have on a gold, and this is the previous liquidity area that market rejected at this level. Because why I'm highlighting these levels, if this level invalidated on the previous month and market give closing below this level, then we will have a proper bearish trend. But here story is different, market rise up again and closes above these previous candles, and this month again we have a bullish momentum. Here I will use, this is the pending liquidity that we have now on this current month, and we have still 8 days left to close, 8 days left for the closing of this month. At here, we have range area around 32, 3120 to 3440 area. This is actually a range area on a monthly time frame. But here, I'm expecting market will rise up again toward these levels, then this level. Why? Let's back to weekly time frame. Let let's forward to weekly time frame and see what we have on a weekly time frame. And on a weekly time frame, stories will be very accurate, and we will identify the actual trend. So let's move and weekly time frame. Here we have a confirmations according to technicals and the candles. Here we can see that this is the structural support area here, that market respect these levels, and especially market give closing above this level at the first interaction at this structural support area on a weekly time frame. Market did not break it and reject it. So on a weekly time frame, I am expecting when market will open next week, I'm expecting market will rise up to this level, then this level. So this is the my speculation on the basis of candles and technicals. So on a weekly and monthly, we have bullish trend. But for your safe side, I will let you know another condition that will help you in the upcoming week. At this level, if 3330 breaks on a weekly time frame, any candle closes below this level, then you should look for the sell towards this range area, which is approximately 30, 32, 3200. So we will have an open gap if candle closes below this level, which will be around 3200 to 3330 area. But here there is a limited chance that on a weekly and a monthly time frame market will fall, because we have a current escalation between Iran and Israel, which will pump the gold to the upside. There are more chances that market will move in the upside and continuous bullish momentum. So let's move that. Why I'm talking about that, my prediction and my analysis, I am on a bullish side. Let's move to the daily time frame and see what we have on a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, picture will be more clearer, and we will identify the zones where to sell and where to buy. On a daily time frame, sorry, on a daily time frame, we can see that here we have order block, and order block on a daily time frame. But here we can see that these two candles are very important at here, because these two candles rejected two times at this structural support area, and I'm expecting that here buyers were dominated, and I'm expecting on the next week market will rise up to this level. Why? First of all, I will use this rising channel for you guys to understand why I'm talking about the ultimate top, maybe more here. This is a very simple format to identify the maximum next target on the upside move or sell side. Here we can see that on the clearly another. I will use this Elliott impulse move for you guys to understand. This is the bottom area market created this one, then fall back and respect this boss area, which is approximately the previous break of structure. Market respect this level, then rise up again this level, then fall back towards, and this is the previous boss area, then rise up again. And at moment you can see that market respect this structural support area and complete this rising channel. Right now I'm expecting market will rise up to this level because we can see the trend line meets at this level, which is approximately the previous all-time high, the ultimate all-time high we have on gold. So I'm looking for upside move on the next upcoming week. But here we have to break down our daily chart and weekly charts in a shorter time frame to identify the targets, retracement, and break of structures. So let's move to the daily time frame, H4 time frame, and see what we have on a H4 time frame to where to buy and where to sell, where we will have the retracement levels and where are structural supports and resistance areas. At here, we can see that market accumulate at this level below this trend lines. It's been almost 2 to 3 days at these levels because here we have this structural support area which is turning as a resistance area, and this was a previous accumulation zone that we had previous week. So on H4 time frame we can see that market is below this inner structural resistance area which is acting as a resistance now, and above we have the last accumulation resistance areas which is below the inner trending line of the rising wedge channel. First of all, I'm expecting market open with a huge gap which is above the 3380 area. If the candle closes above 3380 area, then you have a clear buy towards 3405 area. This will be my first target, 3405 area for the first buy. Other than that, if market able to close above 3405 area, and my next target will be this structural resistance area at this level, and my next target will be at this level. At here we have this trending line here. Market may reject at this level, okay, then respect this break of structure, then rise above. Overall my targets are at this level. Sorry, this is my ultimate target on a H4 daily one, weekly, and a monthly target. Why? Because market is holding, buyers are holding this rising channel and respecting very precisely and follow the uptrend toward this level. So here is the short informative analysis for you guys to understand the market trend. First of all, the direction, and also find out the structural resistance areas, accumulation zone areas, and also the targets that where market can rise the ultimate top and where to fall back. So this is the short analysis for you guys. If you guys like my video and which helps you in your trading journey, so just like and share my video with your friends and family. Thank you, guys.